Hello and welcome again to Judge's Bakery. We have a certain reputation in Hastings for our mince pies, and the reason for those mince pies being so desirable is in their simplicity. We don't put any of that glutinous mush that you'll find in the supermarkets. It's just good, wholesome ingredients, kept simple. So what we have: 120 grams sultanas, 115 grams of currants, 80 grams of brown sugar, 25 grams of flaked almonds, a tablespoon of orange peel, a tablespoon of lemon peel, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of mixed spice, quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg, quarter of a teaspoon of ginger. Also, we have 4 peeled and chopped apples, just lightly cooked in a little bit of butter. And that's it. And I will show you how simple this is. We just simply squeeze the lemon juice in. Make sure no pips go in. Squeeze the orange juice in. Then it's just simply put all the ingredients into the bowl. Hope you can see, like that. 70 grams of rum, a good stir, and that is your mincemeat done. What you need to do is put it in a kilner jar or a Tupperware dish, leave it for a month, and you will be perfect for your mince pies come Christmas. In a month's time, I'll show you how to do the pastry, and we will go from there. You can substitute the flaked almonds for something else, some sour cherries or a few more sultanas or less currants. It's entirely up to you. But it's as simple as that, and that is how we make our mince pie mix. Thank you. Goodbye.